Everyone, today we are going to do the subtraction sums with decomposing, means borrowing, and the question is fill in the blanks. And here I have written few questions, and you will find that in these questions some of the placeholders are missing which we are required to fill. Now before starting the question, we need to remember one thing, that we should start our subtraction sum or addition sum from the ones place only. So let us just see. The top number is the minuend and the bottom number is the subtrahend, and the answer is called difference. Now can we subtract 8 from 3? No, it means we need to borrow. So I have already just done this sum. Let me just explain it to you. So this 2 has become 1 and this 3 has become 13. So 13 minus 8, the answer is 5. Now to fill the place in the subtrahend, we need to subtract the other two digits, and to fill any of the place in minuend, we need to add the other two digits. This is the only rule which we have to follow in these sums. So can we subtract 6 from 1? No, it means we need to borrow. So we'll make it 11. Though we have to borrow from here, and here the place is missing, but we have to ultimately borrow. So let us make it 11. So 11 minus 6, it is 5. So 5 will come here. Or you can say if we need to borrow from here, so let us add it. 3 plus 1 4. 4 आप बॉक्स में नहीं लिखेंगे, बाहर लिखेंगे, क्योंकि इसने इससे बोरो किया है, इसलिए यहाँ 4 नहीं, यहाँ 5 आएगा. फिर उसके बाद भी आप यहाँ बोरो करके 1 को 11 बना सकते हैं और 11 minus 6 5 लिख सकते हैं. 4 minus 3 is 1 and 6 minus 1 is 5. So this is how you have to solve the क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पर आप तो या तो पहले ही बोरो कर लीजिए और फिर माइनस करके यहाँ का नंबर लिख दीजिए, और इसको प्लस करके उसमें 1 ऐड करके आप यहाँ लिख दीजिए और फिर बोरो करिए. इट्स योर चॉइस. फाइन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट सम. Can we subtract 4 from 0? No, we need to borrow. This 5 will become 4 and 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 4, the answer is 6. Again, to fill the place in the subtrahend, we need to subtract these two digits. So 4 minus 1, it is 3. अगर आपको चेक करना है तो देखिए 4 minus 3, the answer is 1. Now to fill the place in the minuend, we need to add these two numbers. So 8 plus 7, it is 15. इसको बॉक्स के बाहर लिखिए. Why? Because in the box we will write only one digit, and that is 5. Now we can think that can we subtract 8 from 5? No. So we need to borrow. This 8 will become 7 and this 5 will become 15. That is why 8 plus 7 has come to 15. So 15 minus 8, the answer is 7. Now 7 minus 2, the answer is 5. So this is how you need to solve these sums. Now the next sum. Can we subtract 6 from 2? No. So we need to borrow. This 3 will get decomposed and become 2, and this 2 will become 12. Now 12 minus 6, the answer is 6. And can we subtract 6 from 2? Because to fill the place in the subtrahend, we need to subtract the other two digits. So we cannot subtract 6 from 2. So we need to borrow. So we will borrow from here, but here we have a blank. So ultimately we have to borrow, or we can say if you want to just fill in this place first, so you can do 5 plus 3, 8. But you have to give something to this place. So write it. Do not write 8. 8 write out of the box, and you will write 9 here because it has to borrow from you. So now you can do this. 2 will become 12 and this 9 has come to 8. So 12 minus 6, it is 6. आप चेक भी कर सकते हैं. 12 minus 6 के बाद यहाँ 6 ही आएगा. यहाँ आप देख लीजिए 8 minus 5 is 3. आपको 9 minus 5 नहीं करना है, क्योंकि 9 से इसको अपना 900 थे, इसने अपना 100 इसको दिया है और ये 8 बन गया है. नाउ अगेन सबट्राहेंड की प्लेस अगर आपको फिल करनी है, यू हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट दीज टू नंबर्स, बट वी कैन नॉट सबट्रैक्ट 6 from 4. सो लेट अस बोरो. इट विल बिकम 8 एंड इट विल बिकम 14. नाउ 14 minus 6, द आंसर इज 8. अगर आप 14 minus 8 करके देखो तो यहाँ 6 आएगा. नाउ 8 minus 6, यहाँ आएगा 2. अगर सबट्राहेंड का कोई डिजिट मिसिंग है, बाकी दो को माइनस करिए. अगर minuend का मिसिंग है, इन दोनों को प्लस करिए. अगर उसने किसी को कुछ देना है तो उसमें 1 ऐड करके लिखिए. दैट्स इट. So I hope you would have understood these questions. Thank you.